Kids, welcome to third standard English class. Today I come with lesson number 18. Lesson name is Look Before You Beep. By previous video I explained this lesson up to here. Okay, and up to here we come to know that after a period of time or after a long searching, the two frogs found a well full with water, and they are very happy. They jump with by joy. Now we are so fortunate. Thank you that we found this whale. They are saying that frogs are saying that they are very lucky. वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि वो लोग बहुत ही lucky हैं, and they are giving thank you to God. वो God को thank you भी बोल रहे हैं. Why? Because they found whale. उन्हें कुआं मिल गया. That's why they are giving thank you to the God. Our problem is solved. Our search has ended. हमारा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया और हमारा सर्च भी ख़त्म हो गया. They are searching for water, and with whale their searching has ended. We found a new home. Let us joy in together. 1 2. Oh, they found a new home. They found a new home to live. That's why they are celebrating the movement. Wait friend, this well is so deep. रुको फ्रेंड, ये वेल क्या है, बहुत ही गहरा है. दिस वेल इज वेरी डीप and there is water left only at the bottom, and in that well water is only at the bottom. पानी उस कुएं में पानी बिल्कुल ही नीचे था. But we can surely dive in. However deep the well may be, diving is our specialty. Why do you hesitate? Both are actually talking among each other, and they are saying that water left only at the bottom. पानी बिल्कुल ही नीचे बचा हुआ है. But we can drive easily. Their main aim to drive. उनका main aim क्या है, पानी में रहकर ड्राइव करना. So they can easily do that. That's why they are saying that don't be hesitate. We can easily dive in that water. It has occurred to me that this well is not drying up. उन्हें ऐसा महसूस हो रहा था. They are feeling that this well will not dry any time. वो वेल कभी भी सूखेगा नहीं. If it is dry up completely, we will have to leave this well too. If the well, like the pond, dries up, then again we have to search a new place, and also we have to leave this well. यदि यह कुआं भी पॉन्ड के जैसे सूख जाएगा तो हमें इसे छोड़ना पड़ेगा, and we have to search new place. I agree, but why do you hesitate now? Another frog said that क्यों नहीं, I agree with you, but don't hesitate now. Now just enjoy this movement. If it is because I see a problem. यह इसलिए है क्योंकि मुझे प्रॉब्लम दिखाई दे रहा. We can easily dive into the whale. We both easily dive into the whale. पानी में हम अच्छे से तैर सकते हैं. But what if the whale dries up? अभी तो हम now we can easily dive in the whale. But what happen when the whale dries up? जब पानी सूख जाएगा तब हम क्या करेंगे? Can we jump so high that we reach the top of this whale? They are thinking that now we can easily live in this whale. But what happened when the whale dries up? जब वेल सूख जाएगा तब हम क्या करेंगे? कैन वी इजीली जंप फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप? क्या हम नीचे से ऊपर आसानी से जंप कर सकते हैं? शैल वी एबल टू लीव द वेल लाइक वी लेफ्ट द पॉन्ड? And they are thinking that they are worried. Some questioning are going into their are going between them. They are talking and they are saying that shall they can be able to leave the well like the pond को उन्होंने आसानी से छोड़ दिया, but it is too much difficult to remove from the well. Why? Because the water is at the bottom of the well. पानी कुएं के बिल्कुल नीचे था, इसलिए that's why they are worried. You are right, friend, said the other frog. Other frog agree with his friend. I had not thought of this. मैंने ये सब तो सोचा ही नहीं था. It is good that you could foresee this problem. It is very nice you see all this problem and you are talking with me. Let us not leap inside. Let us continue with our search. And after thinking all this problem and after seeing all this problem, they are decided they are not going inside the well to live for a long time. And they decided to start their searching. उन्होंने डिसीजन लिया कि वो उस कुएं में नहीं जाएंगे और फिर से वो अपने लिए न्यू प्लेस सर्च करेंगे. And so the little frogs hop on to look for a safe shelter, and that's why both friends started their searching for a safe place. How well it is said, look before you leap. जाने से पहले, before using, look all things which problem will arise. Okay. By this lesson we come to know that don't take a decision fast quickly. Don't take any decision. Think all over. Think by any way. चारों तरफ से सोच कर फिर हमें कुछ डिसीजन लेना चाहिए. Okay, so with the help of textbook I explain the lesson. Now I am going to give you hard words of this lesson. Look, with the help of workbook I am going to give you hard words. Darted, move quickly and suddenly. Darted means moving quickly and suddenly. Fast move करना. Lily pad, one of the floating leaves of a water lily. Lily pad means leaves of lily, water lily. Headlong, head first. Diving, headlong means diving into water with the head going into the water first and then rest of the body. means पानी के अंदर स्विमिंग करने के लिए पहले हम लोग सर के बल नीचे जाते हैं and then we will take our remaining body into the water. Cozy means warm, comfortable and safe. Blazing, extremely hot. Blazing means बहुत ही ज़्यादा hot. Fortunate मतलब lucky. A specialty मतलब something one is good, मतलब कुछ अच्छा. Hesitate, to stop for a minute before doing or saying something. Wait means think करना, सोचना, कुछ भी करने और बोलने से पहले सोचना. Foresee मतलब to think of something that going to happen in the future. फ्यूचर में प्रॉब्लम जो क्रिएट होगा उसके बारे में सोचना. Okay, so with the help of workbook I gave you these hard words. After watching video, write these hard words properly in your notebook by keeping the distance and in good handwriting. Okay.